It is a pleasure for me. I am Julia Alexandra Chapuin. I want to tell you that I have lived in the municipality of Natagahuila for 7 years. I am a person who enjoys adventure, work and sport. I have worked for many years in the stadium of my municipality. I have shared many young people different experiences such as radio, voice-over, practical workshop. Thanks to my work, I have traveled to different places in Colombia such as Bogotá, Boyacá, Villavicencio, and many municipalities of Huila. Working at the station has been a great experience because I have learned to improve my verbal expression and why the different communities. This beautiful experience I have developed why people of the different ages from one every day. I learn more the affectation that I receive working the people in my town how thanks to me personal and my work. For some time now, my goal has been to finish my study and help my community, professional and personal. Thanks for your attention. Happy day.